Hi guys, welcome to www.celebrationsoflifemagazine.com. I have been remiss on my nature walks lately due to the weather, life, etc. Tons of excuses, none really matter in the end. But here we are, looking at these gorgeous roses. In Florida, apparently it is the time for roses. I know, I've done a couple of these lately, but it's literally in bloom, so I'm going to show you the gorgeousness. So hold your hats. It's going to be a short one, but it's going to be pretty. A couple car noises in the background. What can you do? Ooh! We crossed the parking lot. What can we say? We've got some gorgeous. They look blue on my end, but in the camera they look lavender. And we got these gorgeous purples. I'll see, that one is lavender. There we go. That one's more blue. I'll swing back this way. Alright, we've gone a little further down the way. Got some amazing, I call it sunset orange. I guess this is the color of magenta. It's just so vivid. Got a burst of color here. Quite the surprise. And then this is the funkiest tree I've ever seen. Check it out. Isn't that wild? It's like sleepy tree. My arms are down, leave me alone, I'm sleepy. It's crazy. Is that just not terrific? And of course, we're in the holiday season. Where would we be without our light up goodies? And funky flowers. We'll end on the essential palm trees of Florida. Thank you so much, guys. This is, again, www.celebrationsoflifemagazine.com. Hope you have a happy holiday. Stay warm. We'll see you soon.